Welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating world of Lego, a brand that has transformed from a small Danish company into a billion-dollar empire. Founded in 1932, Lego began as a humble wooden toy manufacturer, but it wasn't until the introduction of the iconic plastic brick in 1958 that the company truly began to revolutionize the toy industry. Today, Lego is not just a toy. It's a cultural phenomenon that has captured the hearts of children and adults alike, blending creativity with nostalgia. In this video, we'll explore how Lego's innovative spirit and strategic business decisions have propelled it to the forefront of the toy market. We'll uncover the hidden strategies that have allowed Lego to adapt and thrive in an ever-changing landscape, as well as the challenges it has faced along the way. From blockbuster movie franchises to immersive theme parks, Lego has mastered the art of staying relevant while maintaining its core values. So buckle up as we embark on this engaging journey to discover the secrets behind Lego's remarkable success and the lessons it offers for businesses everywhere. The origins of Lego. The story of Lego begins in 1932 with Ole Kirk Christiansen, a Danish carpenter who founded a small company in the town of Billund. Initially, Christiansen focused on crafting wooden toys, which quickly gained popularity among local families. His commitment to quality and craftsmanship laid the foundation for what would become a beloved global brand. However, it was in the late 1940s that Lego began to pivot towards innovation. In 1949, Lego introduced its first plastic toys, but it wasn't until 1958 that the iconic interlocking brick design was patented. This revolutionary design allowed for endless creativity and play, setting Lego apart from other toys on the market. The transition from wooden toys to plastic bricks marked a significant turning point for the company, as it embraced the potential of new materials and manufacturing techniques. Innovation was key to Lego's early success, as the company continually sought to improve its products and engage children's imaginations. This forward-thinking approach not only solidified Lego's place in the toy industry, but also paved the way for its future as a global powerhouse in creative play. The Brick Revolution. In 1958, Lego took a monumental step in the world of toys by patenting its iconic interlocking brick system. This innovative design featured a unique stud and tube coupling mechanism that allowed bricks to snap together securely, enabling builders to create stable and intricate structures. This patent not only marked a significant milestone for Lego, but also transformed the way children engaged in play. The introduction of the interlocking brick system sparked a surge in creativity, allowing kids to construct anything their imaginations could conjure, from towering castles to futuristic vehicles. This newfound versatility encouraged open-ended play, fostering problem-solving skills and imaginative thinking. As children began to explore the limitless possibilities of Lego, the brand quickly gained popularity, solidifying its position in the toy market. This revolution in design didn't just elevate Lego, it also reshaped the entire toy industry. Competitors scrambled to catch up, but none could replicate the unique play experience that Lego offered. By establishing itself as a leader in creative play, Lego not only captured the hearts of children worldwide, but also laid the groundwork for its enduring legacy as a billion-dollar empire. Navigating challenges. As the late 20th century unfolded, Lego faced significant challenges that threatened its once thriving business. The rise of digital toys and video games began to capture the attention of children, leading to a decline in traditional toy sales. This shift in play preferences resulted in financial struggles for Lego, as the company grappled with declining revenues and increased competition from tech-savvy alternatives. In response to these challenges, Lego made several strategic decisions aimed at revitalizing its brand and reconnecting with its core audience. The company embraced innovation by diversifying its product lines, introducing theme sets based on popular franchises like Star Wars and Harry Potter. Additionally, Lego invested in digital experiences, creating video games and online platforms that complemented its physical products, thus bridging the gap between traditional play and modern technology. Adaptability became a cornerstone of Lego's business model during this tumultuous period. By recognizing the need to evolve while staying true to its creative roots, Lego not only weathered the storm but emerged stronger than ever. This ability to pivot and innovate ultimately set the stage for Lego's resurgence as a beloved brand in the toy industry, proving that resilience is key to long-term success. The power of branding. LEGO's branding strategies have played a pivotal role in establishing its significance and global recognition in the toy industry. The brand is synonymous with creativity, imagination, and quality, making it a household name across generations. This strong brand identity has allowed LEGO to transcend cultural boundaries, appealing to children and adults alike, and fostering a sense of nostalgia that keeps fans engaged. One of the key elements of LEGO's branding success has been its strategic partnerships with popular franchises like Star Wars and Harry Potter. These collaborations have not only expanded LEGO's product offerings, but also tapped into the existing fan bases of these beloved franchises. By creating theme sets that resonate with fans, LEGO has successfully merged storytelling with play, enhancing the overall experience and driving sales. Moreover, LEGO's commitment to quality and innovation has solidified its reputation as a premium brand. This focus on excellence, combined with effective marketing campaigns, has contributed to LEGO's enduring popularity. By continuously evolving its branding strategies and forming meaningful partnerships, LEGO has maintained its status as a leader in the toy industry, captivating new generations of builders and dreamers around the world. Embracing digital transformation. As the digital age took hold, LEGO recognized the need to adapt and innovate in order to stay relevant in a rapidly changing landscape. One of the most significant steps in this transformation was the introduction of LEGO video games and movies, which allowed the brand to reach new audiences and engage fans in exciting ways. Titles like LEGO Star Wars and LEGO Harry Potter not only provided immersive gaming experiences but also brought beloved characters and stories to life through the playful lens of LEGO. In addition to video games, LEGO embraced online platforms to foster a sense of community among its fans. The LEGO Ideas platform, for instance, invites enthusiasts to submit their own designs, with the chance for selected projects to become official sets. This interactive approach not only empowers fans, but also strengthens their connection to the brand. Digital innovation has significantly expanded LEGO's reach, allowing it to tap into the interests of a tech-savvy generation. By blending traditional play with digital experiences, LEGO has successfully created a multifaceted brand that resonates with both young builders and nostalgic adults, ensuring its continued relevance in an increasingly digital world. Sustainability initiatives. LEGO has made a strong commitment to sustainability, recognizing the importance of eco-friendly practices in today's world. The company has set an ambitious goal to produce sustainable bricks by 2030, aiming to create products made from renewable or recycled materials. This initiative reflects LEGO's dedication to reducing its environmental impact while continuing to inspire creativity in children. In addition to developing sustainable bricks, LEGO has implemented various initiatives aimed at reducing plastic waste. The company has pledged to use sustainable packaging by 2025, eliminating single-use plastics and opting for recyclable materials. Furthermore, LEGO has invested in programs that promote recycling and responsible sourcing, ensuring that its operations align with global sustainability goals. Corporate responsibility is increasingly vital in modern business, and LEGO is leading by example. By prioritizing sustainability, LEGO not only addresses environmental concerns but also resonates with consumers who value ethical practices. This commitment enhances the brand's reputation and fosters loyalty among environmentally conscious customers. As LEGO continues to innovate and adapt, its focus on sustainability will play a crucial role in shaping a more responsible future for the toy industry and beyond. Conclusion. In this video, we've explored the remarkable journey of LEGO, tracing its evolution from humble beginnings in 1932 to becoming a billion-dollar empire. We highlighted how the introduction of the iconic interlocking brick system revolutionized play and creativity, setting LEGO apart in the toy industry. Innovation has been a cornerstone of LEGO's success, allowing the brand to adapt to changing market dynamics and embrace new technologies. Strategic partnerships with popular franchises like Star Wars and Harry Potter have further solidified LEGO's position as a leader in creative play. Additionally, LEGO's commitment to sustainability demonstrates its dedication to corporate responsibility, ensuring a brighter future for both the brand and the planet. As we wrap up, we encourage you to reflect on the lessons learned from LEGO's journey, lessons of resilience, creativity, and adaptability. If you enjoyed this exploration of LEGO's transformation and want to see more content like this, please subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and share this video with fellow LEGO enthusiasts. Together, let's continue to celebrate the magic of building and imagination.